We'll guide you through how to fix YouTube Premium not downloading videos. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really inconvenient as you're then unable to go and download videos for offline use. So for the first fix, come out of the video you're trying to do this in. Go to the bottom and press U, and you want to go to the top right and press the gear or cog icon. Scroll down and find the option for background and downloads. And what you want to do is, if you're trying to go and do this on mobile data, make sure download over Wi-Fi only is disabled. And also make sure you've got plenty of storage. I've got 50 gigabytes free, which should be plenty. If you're out of storage, you can go and delete your existing downloads if you want to, and there's other ways you can save space on your phone as well. If that still doesn't work, then try restarting YouTube. So what you can do is go and swipe up on it, and then swipe up on it again to close it, and you can then open it up again and see if it then goes and allows you to download videos. If it does, then great. However, if you still can't, then what we're going to try doing is reinstalling the YouTube app. So find it, tap and hold your finger on it, and you can press remove app and then press delete app. Your existing downloads will be removed. Come to your phone store and then go and download it again. When it's ready, you can go and open it up and sign back into your account. Hopefully now you're able to download videos. If you found this useful, then leave a like.